Very good morning, all of you. Today is a day 3 of health healing. So I would really welcome all of you. And if you do last 2 days, so just tap on your shoulder and feel gratitude to yourself, your continuity. Just we will start the day 3. Same हमें आज के दिन के लिए इंटेंशन लिखना है. Set your intention of the day. Then उसको बंद करो, पैक करो इसको and put in your intention box. Okay, so everyone is ready for the meditation. Just close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Inhale all the positivity is entering in your body. Exhale any negative worries, doubt, and the fear if you have. Now, today is a day 3 of the deep healing and the cleaning. Sit or lie down and take 3 cleansing breaths. Inhale the light, exhale all the heaviness. Again, take a deep breath in, inhale the positivity, exhale any doubt, worries. Acknowledge that our body sometimes manifestation of physical pain. Scan your body from head to the toe and feel in which your body part is becoming a heaviness in your body part. Scan it. Focus on your head, your third eye chakra, your face, your neck, your shoulder. If you have just focus कौन से बॉडी पार्ट में आपको हेवीनेस नजर आ रहा है. Focus on your heart, your chest, your back, your leg, your toes. Focus, scan your body and कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट आपको हेवी लग रहा है. Just put your hand on that part and just focus on that part and say, today we will tell the body it is safe to let go all that no longer serve. It is a safe to be alive. Visualize a silver light washing over you. A divine से एक silver color की light आ रही है and it's washing you. This light represents the cleaning energy of the Ho'oponopono, ready to reach into your DNA and your past. Say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. Just put on your heart on that part of the body where you felt heaviness. Say, I'm ready to release it, heal it, and clean it permanently. I let go, I let go, I let go. Dear body, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I don't know why which emotions are becoming the heavy, becoming store in my shoulder, in my back, in my leg, in my knee. With love and respect, I am ready to release it. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I don't know from where I carry this pattern in my life. Now, with love and respect, I am ready to release it. I let go, I let go, I let go. I'm sorry for carrying the memories of the sickness that do not belong to me. Please forgive me for believing I had to suffer. Please forgive me. I'm ready to release it. Thank you so much for the pain. Thank you so much for coming surface. Because of you, I'm able to heal myself. I'm ready to release it. I let go. I let go. I let go. Imagine a heavy, dark energy is dissolving into the earth. Move it. This it's moving from the part. Suppose ये बैक में है तो बैक से एनर्जी आपके पैरों में से आपके मदर नेचर में डिसॉल्व होगी. Feel it and release it. Now look at any guilt or shame you carry towards towards your body shape, towards your looking. Perhaps you feel the guilt of being sick, guilt of being ugly, believing on others' remark, or your anger at your body, at your looking, for failing you. We cleanse it now. Speak to your own soul. I'm sorry for the harsh thoughts I have directed at myself. Feel the pain. Please forgive me for using this illness as a way of punish myself for my past mistakes. I'm ready to release it. I know that this is not good for my highest self. I'm ready and I am ready to break this pattern. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. Thank you for all the realization that I have already perfect in my eyes of the divine. I love you. I forgive you. I release you. Feel the wet lifting of your chest, of your shoulder, of your back. Your cells are the breathing easier. The internal fights is over. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. Feel the lightness in your whole body. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. Visualize a brilliant blue flame is moving through every organ, every bone, and every drop of the blood. This flame doesn't burn, it's purify you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I release all the emotions, weight that manifest as a physical pain. I am free from the patterns of the past. I am the worthy of feeling good in my body right now. Thank you so much for the best health I have. Thank you so much for each and every body part is working best. I love my body and accept my body as it is. Now take a deep breath in. Feel the lightness in your body. Exhale any tension, any worries if you have. Now again take a deep breath in and start imagining you have a perfect body. You're investing in your time on yourself, on your health, on your career. You're doing the best. You have a perfect healthy body. Your mind is calm. You're doing meditation and yoga every day. Now see your relationship is best. Every day your strong relation between you and your husband and wife, your mother, father is becoming stronger and stronger every day. You're developing an unconditional love, unconditional bond between you both. See the happiness, you are dancing together, celebrating together. The relationship between in office, it's best. Everyone is appreciating you. Just love yourself, feel the frequency. Now it's go on your career. You are reaching high in your career. You're receiving the increments. Everyone is clapping for you. Everyone is appreciating your work, your hard work. You are receiving the awards. Feel the happiness. Feel the gratitude towards your career. Thank you so much. You are attracting the clients. Everyone is clapping for you. You are receiving the awards. Everyone is eager to say what you want to say. Just feel it. Now let's move on your finance area. You're attracting the best opportunities. You have a 2 to 3 income sources. You can easily and effortlessly make a money. You are buying the car, you're buying the house, or what you want. What is your financial desire? You are buying it. Feel that happiness. You are enjoying the trips. You are enjoying your time. You're investing your money. Money are growing to your life every day. See, your account is full. Now see the amount is daily in coming. It's credited to your account. Feel it. You feel it. And now see a divine golden light is entering in your body, is healing you and cleaning you. Feel the happiness. And say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. When you're ready, just rub your palm together, giving the highest energy to your face, your body. And when you're ready, just open your eyes and just open the arm and say, Dear Divine, I'm ready to receive lots of happiness, the best relationship, the respect, the evidence, money, joy. When you're ready, just open your eyes and put the comment. How are you feeling after doing this? Below, comment below, and thank you so much for joining in for the listening this beautiful health meditation. And thank you so much for listening it. और आपको ये videos अगर अच्छे लगते हैं, just subscribe the channel, like and share with your loved one. Thank you.